Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by collecting only what you need: syllabus, recent tests, and class notes, so you focus on gaps. Immediately pick one notebook or a single digital app to avoid scattering ideas. Once chosen, create a folder or page per chapter and list 5-7 priority topics. This gives structure and prevents overwhelm. Start a 25-40-minute timed session to force focus, and after each session, briefly mark what you accomplished so you know why you moved on to the next item. You now condense. Read a paragraph and convert it into 1- or 2-line definitions, using arrows or symbols to show cause and effect. This forces clarity. Then write numbered steps or formulas, followed by a single quick example so you remember application rather than rote words. Once done, format with clear headings and bullets, and choose one color or bold style for keywords to speed recall. Make sure to leave a 1-2-line margin for later additions. That margin becomes your active review space. You finish by testing what you wrote. Do 10-15-minute active recall sessions where you cover the page and recite key points out loud. This shows what sticks. After each session, refine your notes. Turn mistakes into concise one-line corrections and attach a quick example. Finally, if something still confuses you, simplify it by mapping it to a short diagram or a real-life example so the why becomes obvious. If problems persist, redo that section in your review margin until it's clear.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.